Hello. I was shocked. Sorry.
Why you shocked? Why you shocked?
I'm shocked your face pop out. I'm new here,
Oh,
I
you're
don't
new
know
here. Okay, okay.
what's this thing.
Okay, no problem.
I just pushed something, then your face came out.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, no need to say sorry.
Philippines. Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Okay, nice to meet you too.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Hi, Shahab. I'm sorry to
Okay,
disturb
no
you.
need to say sorry. No need to say sorry. So, what's your name?
I just, my name is Alicia.
Alicia. Okay, nice to meet you, Alicia.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Let's just
I'm also new here. I'm here since 2 months. 2 months, just 2 months.
2 months, okay. Maybe 2 days.
2 days. Okay, 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 okay. Okay.
2 days, yeah. That's why I don't know what is this, what is that. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, but it's not difficult. It's
Yeah.
not difficult. You can play it very easily, no problem.
Okay, that's why I'm shocked. You pop out in. Oh my God.
Okay. So, where do you live
I'm
in
sorry.
Philippines?
Nice to meet you, though.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Okay. Which side do you live in Philippines? Which side?
Where? We're in Visayas. In
Bisaya. Okay,
Visayas.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
Philippines. In Visayas part
Besides,
of the
okay.
Philippines.
So, what's your
Yeah.
profession?
I'm a mom.
Mom,
Mom, I'm a mommy.
mommy. Okay, okay. Then, how many kids do you have? How many children?
I have 3 children.
3 children. Okay.
And you?
No, I'm
And
still
you?
single. I'm still single. I don't have any wife or children.
Mm. So you are looking for a wife here, I guess.
No, 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 no,
You're looking for a wife
no. But I'm looking for a good friend.
or a girlfriend.
No, I'm looking for just a friend, not girlfriend or not a wife.
Okay. That's good.
Okay.
You look nice. You look nice guy.
You also looking so beautiful. But how old are you?
No, thank you, thank you. How old are you?
I'm
If you don't
27.
mind.
27.
47?
27. 2 and 7.
27?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so young. You're still so young.
And you? How about you?
I'm 50 though.
52.
50.
52. 50.
50.
50.
Yes.
Oh, but
50. 5 and 0.
okay, okay, okay. But I thought you were just 30. You look like a 30.
Thank you, thank you. I'm going 50.
Okay, okay, okay. My English is not good. My English
Oh,
is
it's okay, I understand.
my English is not good, so I am here for practice English with strangers like you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. You can learn more English than reading,
Yeah,
talking than reading.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So are you enjoying?
Yeah, I'm just enjoying here.
My English is also poor.
But your English is better than me.
That's good. The importance is the IQ. We can understand so fast.
Yeah. What is your what is your mother tongue? I mean your mother language.
My mother tongue is Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Well, in the Philippines, the mother tongue is Tagalog.
Tagalog. Okay. So Tagalog and Bisaya. Is it
Tagalog, yeah.
Tagalog and Bisaya? Is it
Yes, in
different
English.
language? Is it
Tagalog in Bisaya.
different language?
But the real is I am Bisaya. I am Bisaya. I just know how to speak Tagalog. Yeah, I speak Tagalog fluently.
Okay. And Bisaya, I said Bisaya and Tagalog. Is it different language?
Yes, it's a different language.
Okay, okay, okay. So, tell me,
There's so many language in the Philippines.
okay. So, tell me how to say I love you in Bisaya.
Gihigugma ko ikaw.
Please repeat, repeat.
Again,
Yeah.
gihigugma ko ikaw.
Gihi gugma Kohikaw.
Ko, ikaw.
Kokikaw.
Ikaw means you. Ikaw means you.
Ikaw means me. You. Okay.
Yes. Ko means me. Gihigugma ko, ikaw.
Okay. Gihi gugma kokikaw.
Ko, ikaw.
Ikaw. Gihi gugma
Oh, yes.
koikaw.
Ko, yes, that's right.
Okay.
Gihigugma ko,
Okay.
ikaw.
Okay, listen. Gihi gugma Elisha.
That's fast. I don't believe you. That's too fast.
Just kidding to you. I'm just kidding to you. Never mind, please.
That's very, very long than Tagalog. Tagalog is short.
Okay. It's time to say goodbye. I wanna go now.
Okay,
We
okay.
can
You
chat
take
later.
care, man.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thank you.
talking. Nice
Bye.
talking to you.
Okay, nice talking to you too.
Take care.
Okay, take care you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You take care too. Bye, my
Bye.
friend.
Bye,
Bye.
my dear friend.